I used to think frugal people were just cheap. Then I realized they're just deliberate. Here are 10 things they quietly never buy. Things 1 to 3, the daily leaks. Brand name anything when store brand is identical. Coffee every day at $6 a cup, $2,190 a year. Extended warranties, almost never worth it. Things 4 to 6, the subscriptions. Multiple streaming services, pick one, rotate quarterly. Gym memberships they don't use. Software subscriptions for tools used once a month. Things 7 to 8, the lifestyle traps. New cars, they buy 2 to 3-year-old cars and save thousands. Impulse purchases, they wait 48 hours before buying anything over $50. Things 9 to 10, the hidden costs. Convenience fees, ATM fees, rush shipping, late payments. Things to impress others, the most expensive purchases are often social ones. What they do instead. They track where every dollar goes. They decide in advance what matters to them. A simple budget tracker makes this automatic. Track your spending with our free budget tracker printable, link in description. New videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday.